Viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add follow button on your Facebook profile. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Tap on profile picture. Tap on three dot. Now click on turn on professional mode. Click on turn on. Tap on next. Select public. Next. Tap on confirm. Next. Done. Go back. Tap on view as. By this process, you can add follow button on your Facebook profile. Thank you.